Today I'm gonna be making a keychain. So we're gonna need some stickers. Not this, the base and the chains, some tweezers, this thing to smooth out the stickers, and some cream, some DIY cream, some accessories. I only have 2. I might get more later. And some nozzle heads for the... So first we're gonna choose a base and a chain. So I think I'm gonna choose this cloud and a pink chain. Then we're gonna want to peel off there's a layer of thin plastic that we need to take off. Okay, I finally got it, and now I can use my tweezers because it's gonna be super satisfying. Ah, that wasn't satisfying. Wait. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hands. Here it is. Then I'm gonna get some stickers. And first I'm gonna get, I think I'm gonna get a little dog. And yep. Then we're gonna stick it here. And we're gonna use this to smooth it out. There, it looks so nice. Then I think I'm gonna have a butterfly. And the dog can be chasing it. I'm being careful not to go to the edges too much because I want to put these on the sides. I think I want some flowers, so I'm gonna get some. And put it here. I think I'm gonna get another one. This time I'll get purple. And I'm gonna stick it right here. Then we can smooth it out. Okay, now I think I want a little bird. And And he can just go here. And what can he be sitting on? I know, we can add another flower, but behind the dog. It's not gonna look that great, I don't think, because I've done this. I've tried to move the stickers before, and they looked a bit wrinkled. So we need to plan first. But this time I didn't, so hopefully the dog doesn't get ruined. Actually, no, I can't risk it. I'm just gonna add and pretend it's behind the dog. Actually, it's covering the ear, but that's fine. It looks cute. And yeah, I think that's it for the stickers. Now, I think I want some white cream. So I'm gonna open it up. It's a bit dried, but that's fine. And we're gonna screw the nozzle on. And I am terrified now. Is it coming out? Yep. Ah. This is terrifying. I think I'm really bad at this. I can't even squeeze it properly. That did not help. Okay, this will have to do. Okay, I think I can add some stickers on top. So I'm gonna get this petal and just like that, and we've got a petal on it, like this. And this. And this. 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 Yay, we did it. Now, I think I'm gonna add this. So, yep. And then we're gonna add this. Just flew away. Then we're gonna add this. Then we just need to add the chain. Like this. And done. Now we just need to wait for the cream to dry out and it will look super good. Ta-da!